Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a group Zoom meeting and inviting others to join. Whether it's for work, school, or social gatherings, setting up a group meeting on Zoom is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, you will need to open Zoom and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking sign up on the Zoom homepage. Once logged in, click on schedule meeting at the top right of your dashboard. Fill in the details like the meeting topic, date, time, and duration. You can also choose whether the meeting requires a password for added security. Now, after scheduling the meeting, Zoom will provide you with an invitation link and meeting ID. Copy this information and send it to the people you want to invite via email, messaging apps, or even social media. And when it's time for the meeting, simply click Start from your Zoom dashboard. As participants join, you will see them appear in the meeting room. And that's how you easily create group Zoom meetings and invite others to join. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.